Okay, so recently I got a welder, and I thought, what's better than trying to learn a bit better with this, my Escavana. Need to weld the battery box up and stuff. So, where's the battery box? Forgotten where I put it, over there. I'll show you these welds then, which are definitely worse, because I got my brother to set the amperage before last night when I did the battery box, and they weren't great, and this time I've kind of tried my best. I mean, it's holding, so that's all that matters. So yeah, when the amperage is set right, I can do the bead completely fine with stick and with MIG, but when it's not, I'm shit. I do not know. I'm not familiar with what amperage goes with what thickness of metals. I know it's like 1/1000th of an inch or something, so 0.1 inches of metal would be 100 amps, I think. So 0.001 would be 1 amp, but I'm not sure if that goes for just MIG or stick as well. I don't know, but I've got a gasless MIG flux core. I thought, I don't care if it looks messy as long as it's easy to maneuver and stuff, you know. I wanted to do this with stick today, but it just didn't want to work, so I went to MIG, and it looks messy, but it's holding. So yeah, I've just grinded up underneath to put on top of here. It's going to be sticking out a bit so I can put the bonnet on easily, and we should be good. Also, the connecting rod needs sorting out. I think I'm going to put 2 brackets standing up and then put a zip tie through to hold it down. Put the brackets up so the zip tie doesn't fall off. Bit of a cheap fix, but that's kind of the point. I still need to put the wiring into the thing and make a better connection here. I think my brother put a better negative on it. So yeah, let's weld this thing. Wish me luck. Also, there's straw all over the floor, so this really isn't clever. It did start burning there, had to stamp it down. So yeah, let's just go on with it. Should I set the amperage to like 65 and see how much better it is? 63, whatever. It only goes up to 140. I wanted a 200 amp one, but then this one caught my eye, and I ordered it before I realised it was 140. So it doesn't matter. I'm only going to be doing sheet metal and little bits, so I don't really care that much. I'm not like my brother buying all the welders you can buy and stacking them up and nicking my trailer to put a huge gas ball in it. I don't know. Anyway, this welding mask does work. My brother has ordered a new lens just in case, but it does work, so I'm not blind yet. It definitely does adjust, so yeah, the solar panels on it must work. So yeah, let's get on with it. Right, shout if you see any fire happening. Oh, my camera's falling over. Great, there we go. Right, we're getting somewhere. As you can see, this is much more solid. I think the best weld I did was that one. And my brother's not that great, but those are not too bad. I did like half of it with MIG, so 3 corners with MIG. You can see that one's quite bad, and then 1 corner with stick. And the sticks actually do look better. Oh, that one's got a slightly good patch in it. But yeah. So, what way do I want it? Doesn't really matter. Try and get it kind of center. There, it's on-ish. So let's give it a go. Might actually put my gloves on to do this because it's underneath, but I can't be asked. 0.8mm wire, so yeah. God. I completely missed. God damn it. I'm terrible at this. Jesus. Oh no, I've gotten a bit of it. Oh, my camera. Well, a good opportunity to show you. I have kind of, it's holding. There's a bit of a gap over there. I could do these ones from this side. A bit of a flex. I might do that side because it's close, and then I could leave anything that's too hard. It's not really that important of a vehicle. It's definitely sloping down, isn't it? Yeah, it doesn't matter. Do I need a bit more amperage, or I don't know. God damn it, the camera's falling over now. Oh, solid now, boys. Try my best here because it's a bit gappy. There we go. And one more. It's a proper gap on it. God, it looks so awful. I think I might need a bit more amperage. It's like not really melting the metal much. Is that how it works? Oh, it's a bit crooked. It's not too bad. I'm not very fussed about it. Right, out with the ratchet. How's it done that? It's a bit like that. It's not too bad though. You can see. It's alright. As long as the bonnet still goes on properly. Let's see. Oh, just about. It's quite a tight fit. It's in, isn't it? Bit of a tight fit, but I didn't completely fuck it up, so there we go. So basically, this is gonna act like a battery box and a front weight at the same time. So yeah, I got this to go there. I'll probably grind that rivet off just to make it completely flat, or I can put it that way around. There's more rivets there, so I'll just do the other side. Yeah, there we go. Just turn that off. Don't know if you're supposed to leave them running or whatever, but yeah, I'm not great at setting up a welder at all. I do rather stick welding, definitely. I don't know. People say that MIG welding's easier to start off with or something. I don't know. But look at my cool mask. Yeah. Right, what was I going to do? Grind that little rivet off right there, so it's flat, so it doesn't be a pain in the ass to my battery. Don't really need this, but I don't know. Well, it does protect the battery a bit if something hits it underneath, I guess. Let's grind this off. That's one thing, that the button sticks a bit. There we go. I might change the disc. I got the grinding disc, not the cutting disc. That. Here we go. Ooh. If you got any tips to like stop stuff going, is it flux going on the welding tip, like on the tip of the gun, then please comment down below to give me tips, because I've got no idea. Well, there's one little one there as well. I'll get it. And there. This thing's only complaint. Ugh. Why is it so sticky? Wait. Yeah, that's the only complaint I have, is that button sticks. Dad says I should have gotten a 24 volt or something. Because 18 volts is a bit slow, but it does its job. I got plenty of batteries. It's very handy to, very portable. So yeah, what was I going to do? Put that in. We could take it for a spin now, actually. And then the thing will keep coming off, but the steering rod will keep coming off. Anyway, I'm going to put the grinder away. I'm going to go and get my compressor and I'm going to do that. And then I'll fix the steering later because it's only a little thing. I might show you again sometime. Should put some like brackets going up to hold the battery in better. But I was thinking more just ratchet strap. Yeah, but there we go. So yeah, see you in a bit. Right, I have actually got this little battery right here. I don't know if it's the one out of a Cavalier, I think. Oh, where's that nut gone? Oh well, it's still on tight. Don't know if it's got any juice in it. I don't know if that one's gone. Who's been stealing them? Don't know if it works at all, so let's give it a go. Ooh, what's all this rubbish? Haven't pumped up the tyres, haven't even cleared out. Where's my switch? It's over there. Does it work still? Nothing. Maybe the connections are bad. Is it? No. Okay. Maybe the battery's just dead. Don't know. Different battery. Should work. Let me just get my camera out. Ignition. That's good now. That I'm happy I got that sorted out. Right, I don't remember how this started. I got some throttle problems. Choke. Put some ether in it. Why is it not working? It's got enough fuel in it. Very strange. I need a new spark plug. Do some direct injection. Yeah, boy. Brand new filter that. Get some of my ether. Where is it? some of my ether. Backfire. Spaceship noises. Oh god, it's a bit funky. Obviously it doesn't have back pressure in the exhaust, so it does not brilliant throttle. It needs tuning really, because I see black smoke coming out. It's way too rich. Yeah, but the battery is good. That's a great success. Just need to sort out some of the wiring. Put the ignition switch up there, sort out a good earth, because that's going to rust and not going to get good contact eventually. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to drive it today, because that is very heavy to move in the sand. But there we go. Call that a win. Yes, I'm one of those guys that upgrades a lawnmower very hillbilly-like. It's fun, okay? It did start, like, it must have just flooded, because it did start with the air filter on, so I don't know, it's just running too rich, I guess. But yeah, see you next time.